So let's make the one and only Ivan character cube. To start your cube, you're going to want to create or edit these Google Slides and answer the questions about the story. You'll then download each slide as a JPEG file. Here's how that's done. Click on the slide thumbnail, then click File and Download as JPEG. Do this for each slide in the slide deck. Next, we're going to move on over to CoSpaces so we can create our one and only Ivan cube. To start your cube, go to My Spaces, click Create a Space, and then select the Merge Cube as the type of space. A blank Merge Cube will appear. You remember all those JPEG images you saved earlier? Now it's time to use them. We're going to upload them to CoSpaces by selecting Upload Images and the Upload button. When you find them in your directory, open them and they'll upload directly into CoSpaces. Here, you can drag them onto the building platform. You're going to want to do this for every single image that you created in Google Slides. Once they've been uploaded, you can stretch, rotate, and lock them into position on the cube. So now that I have all of the images on the Builders platform, it's time to attach them to the cube. To do that, you right-click on each image, click the word Attach, and a blue dot will appear on the cube. Click the blue dot in the location where you want to connect your image. Repeat that process for each image until you've connected all of the images to all of the different sides of the cube. Once you have each image attached to each side of the cube, you can use this Builders tool to stretch the image until it fits the side of the cube. Repeat that process until all of your images are perfectly fit to the cube. Now it's time to add some characters to our cube. To start, go to the library, select Animals, and scroll to the right and look for the gorilla. To place the gorilla on the Builders platform, just drag it and drop it. To get the character into place, the use of the Builders tools is necessary. Here you can lift and lower him, move him left, right, up, and down, or rotate him into position. When you're ready to add more characters, repeat the same process. Go to the library and find your character, drag the character onto the Builders platform, and use the Builders tools to position the character into place. I chose to add the dog, the elephant, as well as the gorilla. You can also include a banana or any other animated or non-animated item you choose. Speaking of animation, we're now ready to animate these characters. To animate, all you need to do is right-click on the character and select the animation option. You'll see several choices. Click on the choice you want and it will demonstrate the character moving. Repeat that for all of the characters that you've selected. We're finally ready to view our item in virtual reality. Just click play and you'll see your character's animations as well as all of the images that you've attached to the cube. Students love viewing their creations on the Merge Cube in augmented reality. To do this, you first have to share the creation that you've made. You'll be given a choice of whether you want to share that item unlisted or whether you want to publish it to the gallery. The nice part about publishing an item to a gallery is that others can reuse the space that you've created. Once you've shared your creation, you click the share button one last time and you'll see a QR code. It's this QR code that you scan with your CoSpaces EDU app on your device to view the item in augmented reality.